Today's video we are going to discuss most important questions for tomorrow's SSLC annual exam. Are you ready to answer, students?
Yes.
Okay, come closer. All of you come closer. So let me start. Name the acid present in the stinging hair of nettle leaves. Methanoic acid. Water fossils. Remains preserved traces of old organisms which lived in the past. Difference between roasting and calcination. Any one of you should say clearly. Roasting and calcination.
Sulfates are converted into oxides very strongly in the SSC is known as roasted. The carbonates are converted into oxides very heat and strongly in the lifted air is known as
Calcination. So then, what is calcination? Carbonidor. Calcination, carbonidor.
The
Presence of limited air. Carbonidor, limited air. Sulfidor, excess of air. Sulfidor roasting, carbonidor, calcination. Next. What is Tyndall effect? Anyone? The scattering of light in colloidal particles. We can see the path of the hello. Hello students, we will go to the next question. Disadvantages of fossil fuel. What are disadvantages of fossil fuel? Anyone?
It is a non-renewable source. It produces more carbon dioxide.
Greenhouse effect.
Greenhouse effect.
Carbon dioxide release ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Greenhouse effect it acid rain ಆಗುತ್ತೆ because of burning of fossil fuels. Okay, then we will go to the next question, that is what are structural isomers? Very important question. What are structural isomers? Anyone?
Carbon compound have,
Come closer.
the carbon compound have same molecular form but different structure.
Is known as structural isomer. Example:
N-butane, isobutane.
N-butane and isobutane. So what are amphoteric oxides? Is known as amphoteric. What are alkali? Bases? Bases which are soluble in water. Major constituent of biogas? Methane. Properties of biogas? Eco-friendly, renewable source, less smoke. The slurry can be used for manure and fertilizer, manure, and gives high amount of heat. Then easy to store, easy to transport. So the device that works using solar energy. I am asking device that works using solar energy. Solar panel, solar cell, solar cooker, solar water heater. What is the function of fuse? How fuse works during overloading and short circuit? Anyone? So fuse law works on the principle of Joule's law of heating. Whenever there is excess of current is passed through the circuit by overloading or short circuit, that time the fuse wire melts and break the circuit. So what are the properties of magnetic field lines?
They arise from north and emerge in south. Inside the magnet, they move from south to north. The magnetic field lines never intersect with each other. They are close.
So what happens? Why they do not intersect each other?
Because they intersect at the point of intersection, compass should show both north and south direction, which is not possible.
Silver articles, all of you silver articles, but they will turn blackish. Why they turn black?
Silver is reacted with the sulfide.
So the silver reacts with sulfur that is present in atmosphere and turn black color coating. That is corrosion. Chemical reaction does not take place when copper is added to iron sulfate. Why chemical reaction is not takes place?
Copper is more reactive than the
Copper is
iron is more reactive than the copper. So it displaces the copper sulfate solution.
But here what the question is, chemical reaction does not take place. Chemical reaction does not take place. Harshini parents. Chemical reaction does not take place when copper reacts with iron sulfate. Because copper is less reactive than iron, so it cannot displace iron from salt solution. So इधे उल्टा के लिए the reaction could occur. Copper can displace, iron can displace from copper sulfate solution. Alloys are more useful when compared to pure iron. How? Give reason. Alloys are more useful than pure iron. The strength of iron is pure iron is less. Okay, it is not as much as strong and stiff. That's why alloying is makes it good strength, corrosion resistance, and other properties. What we can get the design properties. Difference between homologous and analogous organs, very important. Anyone should tell properly without mistake.
Homologous organs are the organs which have same structure but different function, like wings of birds and forelimbs of humans. Analogous organs which have different same structure but different functions, like forelimbs of
What is it? Analogous?
analogous different functions.
Different structure.
Structure but same function.
Wings of birds, wings of butterfly, insects. So once again, homologous and analogous. Homologous organs means organs having same structure but perform different function. Analogous means organisms having different structure but perform same function. Example for homologous is forelimb of humans, forelimb of heart, dog, or wings of bird. For analogous organs, if we come, example are wings of butterfly, wings of bird, or wings of bat. So difference between sex chromosome of male and female. So male contains X and Y chromosome, female contains X and X chromosome. So female has a perfect pair of chromosome. In male, Y chromosome is size is smaller, shorter than the X chromosome. So sex of child is determined by father only, because Y chromosome determines male or female. So what is oxidation reaction?
The reaction in which a metal gets attacked.
Oxidation, not solution. Oxidation. Addition of
oxygen in
addition of oxygen. Oxidation means don't get nervous. Why are you getting nervous? Oxidation means addition of oxygen is known as oxidation, or removal of hydrogen. What is reduction?
Addition of hydrogen removal of oxygen is known as
Reduction. What is redox reaction?
both addition and reduction.
Both oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously. It is known as redox reaction. So body temperature of frogs and lizards depend on temperature in the environment. Justify.
Because they have three chamber heart. They are
Oxygen and dioxide does not separate, mix. So they won't get proper energy.
and they does not get constant body temperature.
So they cannot maintain constant body temperature. Then gold is used to make ornaments. Give reason.
Gold have malleability and ductility.
And lustrous.
And lustrous.
Less reactive. Malleability, ductility, and less reactive.
Is not corrosive.
Nickel is used in strings of guitar. So which are the properties used? Sonors. Another strings. Yeah, ductility. So still Jones law we have discussed already, Jones law in previous video. Function of human male reproductive system, each and every part you should remember, okay? Testes, scrotum, everything. You should remember the parts and function. Placenta, role of placenta. Who will say exactly? Special tissue, disabled, special tissue provides nutrition to the embryo and helps in the exchange of waste materials from embryo to the mother's fluid. Then if you want to discuss what is evolution? The gradual change.
Phenomena, the gradual change of race. It is known as
Evolution is a gradual changes occurring in organisms over a period of time, long time. Then what are the evidences for evolution? Evidences in evolution again? Fossils one, another homologous organs, analogous organs. These are the evidences. How do you detect the age of fossils? Carbon dating and carbon dating one. Another is which method? Relative method. Carbon dating and relative method. Students, share this video with your friends. Very helpful for tomorrow's annual exam. What is atomic size? Anyone? The distance between the center of nucleus to the outermost shell is known as atomic size. What happens to the atomic size as you go down the left to right or down the push along the period? Decreases. Atomic size decreases. What happens to atomic size when you move from top to bottom? Increases. Atomic size increases because new shells are added. So left side there are metals, right side non-metals. So what is tropic level? What is tropic level? And flow of energy is unidirectional in how?
It is a position of organism of in food chain. Is known as tropic level.
Each step or each stages in the food chain is known as considered as a tropic level. Then what happens? How you say that flow of energy is unidirectional? It is 10% law. Flow of energy is because the autotrophs get the energy from sunlight, which cannot be reversed back to the solar. And that was likewise herbivores get the energy from autotrophs, which cannot be reversed back to the autotrophs. This way energy moves progressively from one tropic level to another tropic level. So flow of energy is unidirectional. So 10% law ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so during movement from one tropic level to another tropic level, only 10% energy is transferred. Remaining energy is lost due to heat, metabolism, reproduction and growth. So only 10% is available for next tropic level. That's why the tropic level ends at 3 or 4 steps only. So then different questions we already discussed. What is the loss of reflection? Loss of reflection. Two loss of reflection. You will tell. The incident ray. I am asking reflection, not refraction. Reflection first.
The
Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. And second law is the incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal to the point of incident all lie in the same plane. This is the loss of reflection. Refraction, what is refraction? The bending of light when it moves from near medium to denser medium. So then loss of refraction is the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the point of incidence between the normal to the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. The ratio of second law energy is Snell's law. The ratio of sine angle of incidence to sine angle of refraction is constant for a given pair of media for a given color of light. This is very important. An individual organisms cannot pass the experiences acquired during his lifetime to next generation. Why?
Because it is no change in DNA.
Which type of characters these are? Acquired traits. So individual acquire ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ because these are acquired. There is no change in the DNA. there is no change in the reproductive tissues, there is only change in the muscles. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಇರಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅದು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ನಿಮಗೇನು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಹೇರ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕರ್ರಿನೆಸ್ ಹೇರ್ ಶೇಪ್, ಐಸ್ ಕಲರ್, ಐಬ್ರೋ ಕಲರ್, ಮತ್ತು ನೋಸ್ ಶೇಪ್, ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕಲರ್, ಹೈಟ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಟ್ ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ cannot be transferred because there is no change in DNA of the organism. So limitations of producing electricity from wind energy. What are the limitations?
It doesn't should be more than 15 kilometers.
Next,
It is very expensive.
very expensive. Requires large amount of land, and the blades are and the blades are exposed to wear and tear of the atmosphere, so it's require high maintenance. Okay students, thank you. So share this video with your friends. In our 4-5 videos tomorrow definitely you will get more than 50% of questions. Thank you. Bye.